Welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take a right financial and investment decision. Do you want to invest your surplus money for an inflation beating return? Are you confused between investing in real estate, mutual funds and gold? Don't worry, we have investment expert Usha Nair with us to clarify this. Usha, could you please give your insights on this?
The whole idea of mutual fund investing is to beat inflation. And I started my presentation with that first slide, which showed the US inflation rate and how the returns have happened. And that is very true in India also. Just that the numbers change. If US inflation has been 2.5% for 30 years, our number would be 6 to 7 or 8%. But our returns have also been upwards of 15 to 16%. So the whole idea of mutual fund investing is to beat inflation, and it is one investment which genuinely beats inflation over the long term. Bank FDs do not, because bank FD rates are linked to inflation in that sense. And real estate, yes, real estate is a growth asset, but it is like this. It is telling a mother or a father that your child is not doing well, or your child is too naughty, and if the school principal calls and complains, or the neighbor complains, the parents generally tend to defend the child. Real estate is actually like that for most investors. Real estate has got the same attachment and belief that parents have in their children. And you say love is blind. So I always say real estate, when we discuss, people become Gandharis. You tie a blindfold and then you want to discuss real estate. But when it comes to, the equity market or stock mutual fund investing, everybody becomes Duryodhana for the Pandavas, because you are only finding reasons how you can hurt them. So it is unfortunately that real estate also gives return. Only difference is, as much as volatile or long term you need to consider equity, real estate is similar. It may look that I bought a property yesterday, the prices have gone up, then for years prices do not go up or it remains flat. The advantage is, in real estate, there is no way I can know the price of my property unless I go and check in the vicinity, or if I figure out that how did my flat or the plot or the land near my house get sold in the last 6 months. There is no magazine, no website, no NAV that publishes the price of property in Andheri in Bombay. There is no way I can know what is the price of a flat in Alvarpet in Chennai in a particular street. So that it is so micro and localized. Annanagar may have a price, Gurgaon may have a price, and Noida may have a different price, and Alvarpet may have a different price. So it is whereas NAV of DSP Flexi Cap is the same for every investor across the world, and it is published at 11 p.m. in the night every day. So both of them, to give you the answer, aims to beat inflation. One comes with ease of transaction, ease of exit, liquidity, very neat and clean processing methods. The other comes with a lot of joy, personally, emotional connect, but huge amount of difficulty in liquidity. You can't cut one room and sell. When you go to sell a property, a lot of other factors come in. Taxes, maintenance, lot of things. But does it give return? Yes, it does give return. But is it prudent to have 5 and 4 properties? Probably not. Do both beat inflation? If done well, both should beat inflation. But I also know experience about property prices, which has not beaten inflation in 10 years also. Because if the growth is 7% in property price, it is still not beaten inflation. And gold anyway does not. Gold is just about to beat inflation. That's the general belief. The US gold prices. So if market inflation is 6%, gold price over long term should move up by 6%. This is the belief. So in sequence of beating inflation, it is mutual fund, real estate, and gold.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.